I grew up here in South Georgia. My parents had a small electronics business that I worked in growing up. My grandfather was a pilot in World War II. He flew in the Berlin airlift. And he always had an airplane when I grew up. My grandfather would get me and my brothers and sisters up on Saturday morning, and we would go meet out at the airport, and we would go up flying for an hour or 2 hours at a time. He just always had this passion for it. When you fly, you have intense focus on what's happening there, and I sort of parallel it to being in a trial in the courtroom. Your job is to land that airplane. That's the way we approach a trial. That's the way I approach a trial. We prepare, we take flight, and then we try to stick the landing.
My name is Donald Gene Vinson. I'm from Thomasville, Georgia. I'm a chiropractor. I was headed home. I had my youngest daughter with me, and as I came over the hill, a gentleman was riding in my lane and hit me head on, and he was killed instantly. I had severe fracture of my right leg, and to this day I walk with a limp. My youngest daughter had 3 different fractures of her ankle, had a pelvic separation, and her clavicle was broken from the car seat on the left side. I had known of Chris for a while, and when things started to come together, there was not enough insurance on the person that hit me to even begin to cover my bills or my daughter's bills, and so decided to talk with him about handling a case for me. I was afraid quite a few times, that I wouldn't be able to continue with practice. He took a lot of the worry off of me as far as handling things and making sure bills got paid and that sort of thing. The case was settled, all the bills were paid, we were compensated for pain and suffering, and I thought he did a really good job. If someone else was in my position, I would refer, and have referred in the past, and will continue to do so.
Our firm helps people who've been catastrophically injured make bad situations better. People who have been injured are somewhat of the underdog. I think in a lot of respects, I grew up and I was the underdog. I promise that we're going to do everything that we could do that I would do for my own family. You're not alone. You are not alone. We're here for you. We'll take you as you are.